Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the top 5 highlighters. I will show you the best highlighters under $10, and I also have one more, the bonus highlighter that I didn't want to leave behind. The first one is the Glock Shimmer highlighter and eyeshadow by W7, and this one has a light champagne color. It is very soft and it blends very easy on my skin, and I also like that it doesn't intensify the texture of my skin. Sometimes my skin is not very smooth. I have little bumps from the weather. This one had a little accident and I need to fix it, and I will try to fix it with alcohol. Following that, we have the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, and this one has a deeper golden color and it blends so nice on the skin. You can also intensify the color with a little bit of setting spray. It looks amazing. After that, we have the Baked highlighter in Golden Lights by Makeup Revolution, and I got this one in the Makeup Revolution advent calendar. You can also find it in their website, and I have this one on my cheekbones today. This one is a yellow gold shade and it is a very shiny and bright highlighter. It is blendable and very intense. If you want to make it even more blinding, you can use a setting spray. If you want something more natural, I would suggest using the two previous highlighters. We continue with the Glow to Go highlighter palette, and this is in the shade Sun Kissed Glow. In this one we get 4 different highlighting shades. They give the perfect glow and it is very easy to blend them on your skin. This palette is perfect for someone that wants to find the best shade for their skin tone. You can mix and match and experiment and see which shade is the best for you, and this is such a budget friendly palette, and you can use all the shades as highlighters or eyeshadows. The next one is the NYX highlighter in the shade Pop and Rock. I got this one from the NYX advent calendar and it is a limited edition. This is a lilac frosty highlighter that looks amazing on the skin, and usually I don't use lilac highlighters on my skin. This one is so beautiful on the skin. It gives a frosty finish with just a light layer of lilac. It is very unusual for me, but I like this one a lot, and if you want to try some more colorful highlighters, this one is great. After that, we have the Ho 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 iridescent powder highlighter by Essence in the shade Twinkle Twinkle, and this is a limited edition highlighter. You can find it in the Christmas trend edition by Essence. It is a light pink highlighter. It gives such a beautiful sheen of pink color on your cheekbone, and it doesn't look unnatural. It looks very smooth and it is not glittery. It is very pigmented and it looks fantastic on the skin. You can also use it as an eyeshadow and it looks amazing. If you want to see some more amazing drugstore products, I will have a card here with a playlist that I have created. Share this video with a friend that likes drugstore products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these highlighters and which one is your favorite. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!